Scores of motorists in Portland had their license plates removed yesterday for breaches of the Road Traffic Act. This was done during a joint special operation by the Transport Authority, the Portland Police, and the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch from Kingston. The police also point to the number of motorists operating contrary to the Road Traffic Act.
We had made a first stop in Buff Bay where we had issued nearly 50 traffic tickets and a total of about 40 registration plates were removed from motor vehicles that were identified various defects. We moved into Port Antonio since that, and so far we have removed close to an additional 50 registration plates for similar type of defects, and we are seeing these defects and various other vehicles that moving through the town.
The initiative is currently being carried out in all parishes. The police say they've also made arrests.
Offensive weapon has also been seized. One person has been arrested in Buff Bay earlier this morning for armed with offensive weapons, and that particular person in Buff Bay, intelligence revealed that that person is the main perpetrator of the modification of motorcycles in that area that is creating the loud noise that is causing a nuisance to the residents of this part of the country.